we're going to the aquarium art. This time we're traveling on our own, and as expected, we're lost. Yeah, I think so. We're going inside the building, art aquarium. Oh, let's go, let's go. Let's try it. Art. Nasaan kuya? Ayun, aquarium. Here. Let's see if we can.
Hi.
Arigato. They let us come early. 30 minutes early, right? Yay. Hi, Eric. We're going to the aquarium art here in Tokyo, specifically in Ginza. Ganda. Nakakaawa ng tingnan. Nakakaawa ng tingnan dahil nakaganon. Diba? Maganda rin. I feel bad. It's a goldfish. Patay na siya. It's dead. Looks dead. Hello guys, we're inside the aquarium art now here in Ginza, Tokyo. It's really amazing. It's pleasing to the eye with all the fish, the artwork, the flowers. Look at this. This place is really cool, very pleasing to the eye, and very relaxing. So if you happen to be in Tokyo, specifically in Ginza, make sure to visit Aquarium Art. Go! Go the anime. Ayun pala yung anime scene. sa aquarium mo. I-upgrade mo na. That's it guys, that's my vlog for the day. Greetings from Art Aquarium here in Ginza, Tokyo. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and always be kind to one another. Bye!
Bakit di nag-jump yung mga goldfish dito? Bakit di nag-jump yung mga goldfish dito?
They don't. They don't jump.
Sa atin. Kumalat